What the heck, is this even Windows? It looks like macOS. All jokes aside, in this video I will show you how to make your Windows 11 look like macOS, and we will also add some macOS operating system functionality. And also stay tuned till the end of this video, because I will also show you how to completely uninstall everything that we installed in this video. The first thing that we will change is Windows 11 cursor to look like macOS cursor. Simply go to your web browser and search for macOS cursor, and here on DeviantArt you will find exactly that, macOS cursor. If you haven't already created DeviantArt account, simply create one on their website, and here on DeviantArt webpage for macOS cursor, click this download arrow. When the file is downloaded, simply click on the file, click extract all, click extract, and in this extracted folder, go to the folder itself and right click on the install file, click show more options if you are on Windows 11 and click install. Click open and click yes. Here, as you can see, nothing changed. So to change Windows 11 cursor, you will simply go to the Windows settings and here search for cursor and go to the pointers, and here you will change your cursor scheme. Simply select macOS scheme that we just installed and click apply. Click yes and click OK. As you can see, you completely changed your Windows 11 cursor to look like macOS one. The next thing that I will add is macOS taskbar at the top of the screen. Simply go to the Google and search for Droptop, and I will also put a link in video description down below, so don't forget to check it out. And on their GitHub, simply click here to download Droptop. And as you can see, we have this Droptop basic version of RM skin for Rainmeter. So yes, this program actually needs Rainmeter to work. So simply go to the Rainmeter webpage and click download here as well. Click on the Rainmeter exe file, click OK, click next, click install, click yes, and click finish. So when the Rainmeter is installed, it should look like this. Right click on the default widget and click unload skin, and simply repeat this step 3 times. Here you will also go to the downloads folder where you downloaded Droptop basic version, and double left click on RM skin and click install. Here select your preferred language and click next arrow. I will here pick always show Droptop, and I will also pick Spotify. Here select your home button. I will just pick an apple, and also small, which is recommended size for our drop down bar. Here I will also pick default option for the color and free version for the drop down bar. And also here I will click maybe later. Here on the Windows Defender firewall has blocked some features, you will simply click allow access. And as you can see, we have our macOS bar at the top. The next thing that I will add is macOS functionality called Spotlight Search, but here on Windows, to replicate that, we will need to use PowerToys Run. Simply, when you downloaded and install PowerToys, go to the PowerToys and you will see here PowerToys Run. Simply select the Enable PowerToys Run, and here you have the activation shortcut. You have Alt plus space, and here you have your Spotlight Search from macOS. So if I search, let's say Explorer exe, you will see that I have File Explorer, simply here and run it. And also PowerToys has a lot of other features as well. So the next thing that I will add is actually macOS dock for our Windows 11. Simply go to the Google and search for rounded taskbar, and here you will click rounded taskbar r3.zip file. I already did that, and here on the downloads folder, simply extract the zip file. And one thing that I recommend is to actually cut this extracted file to your local disk or where your Windows is actually installed. And here I will also suggest you that you create some another type of your folder, and here I call it tweaks, and here simply paste this extracted rounded taskbar folder. Double left click on it, and here you will have exe file itself. Double left click on it, click more info and click run anyway. As you can see, you have your welcome screen to rounded taskbar. I will click X on that one, simply click on advanced, and here I will select dynamic mode, and also I will click apply. As you can see, it doesn't look right, and right click on the taskbar settings, go to the taskbar behaviors and simply put it to the left and then back to the center. It should fix all the issues. And also one thing to remember, if you have margin, for example, set at 3 and you run the applications, you will see that you have this gap between the actual application and the dock itself. So I really recommend you guys that you select this option to the 0. Why? Because the gap will be gone. As you can see, it looks quite better right now. And also here you have the corner radius. For example, if I put it, let's say, to the 15, you should see some more curved edges at this taskbar. So this is our macOS dock on Windows 11. And one thing that is really missing here is actual macOS wallpaper. So simply go to the Google and search for macOS wallpaper, and here I found really nice macOS Mojave wallpaper in 6K resolution. I really like this Mojave Day wallpaper, and I will also simply right click on the file, click save an image as, and click save. Go to the downloads folder and right click on the file and click set as desktop background. As you can see, we have completely changed our look of Windows 11. And right now I will also show you how to completely uninstall everything that we just installed in this video. First of all, let's start with the cursor. Simply go to the cursor settings right here and simply go to the pointers, and here I will select Windows default system scheme. Click apply and click OK. As you can see, you should have normal Windows 11 cursor back at again. And also macOS cursor is uninstalled that way, because we will need to go to the Windows File Explorer, go to this PC, local disk C, go to the Windows folder, and simply here search for the cursor folder, and simply here delete macOS folder. Click continue, and Mac cursor should be uninstalled. So here we also have the taskbar or macOS dock on our Windows 11. So to simply fix that, go to the task manager, go to the more details, go to rounded taskbar and the task, X on the task manager, go to File Explorer, go to this PC, local disk C, go to the tweaks, and here we have our rounded taskbar extracted folder that I will right now delete. And also one thing to remove is also macOS taskbar at the top of the screen. Simply go to the control panel, go to the uninstall program, and I will just uninstall Rainmeter. Click yes, and also I will here check completely remove all personal settings and files. Click uninstall and click close. Also, we will need to actually uninstall PowerToys as well. So simply exit the PowerToys in the system tray, click on the PowerToys and click uninstall. Click yes, and PowerToys should be uninstalled. And then you should simply restart your computer and you should be done. And with that being said, I hope you completely transformed your Windows 11 to look like macOS and also added some functionality with that. And if you haven't already, subscribe and like on this video would be much appreciated. And with that being said, have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.